Hi everyone, this is Romy here with Villa Lux, and today we are at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa located in Javea. So this property comes with its own separate casita or annex. It has its own entrance and parking space, and it could be used for multiple purposes. So that's really a highlight of this property. So the property itself is built in 1981. It's since then been completely reformed, so it's really nice from the inside as well. And location is something I want to talk about first of all, is because the location is just really good. It's in Valle del Sol, an area just past Sol. It's at about a 5-minute drive from the Javea Arno, where you can find the beach, restaurants and bars. And as you can see behind me, you have this beautiful view with the Montgo. You have restaurant El Campo right over there, and this is just surrounded by greenery. It's all protected. There's a natural park behind us, and you have Sol over there. So I cannot wait to show you the inside. Why don't we go and head on? Yeah, so like I said when we were upstairs, this property has been completely reformed. You can see it, it's all nice open plan. But the good thing is they do still have the traditional elements like these traditional beams and Tosca stone. Now let's start with the dining area, really nice. From here you have the windows as well with the view on the Montgo mountain that we just saw from upstairs as well. And here we have the kitchen. I'll quickly step inside. So you have a really nice breakfast bar here. It's a really convenient kitchen. It's modern, it has all the appliances you need. And what I like about it as well is that it's all open. So when you're cooking here, you can just connect with people, with friends, or anybody who is in the house really. Now, stepping away from the kitchen, we are in the living room. And this living area is also really nicely done. It's all nice, open, natural light coming in, and you have the Tosca stone fireplace, which is nice for the winter months. And not to forget, this house also has gas central heating and air conditioning throughout, which makes it perfect for as well the summer months as the winter months. So once you pass this Tosca stone arch, you enter the hallway where you can find the 3 double bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So both bathrooms are really beautifully done. They're recently reformed and in a really good condition, all very modern. And one of the bathrooms is en suite as well. So all the bedrooms have double glazing, they have air conditioning and central heating. And there's a laundry room as well, which is of course really convenient. So when you step out of this property, we enter this beautiful garden. It's very maintenance friendly, and the plot is actually really large. It's over 1,500 square meters. Like I said, the garden is really nice. There's fruit trees, you have the beautiful flowers, and the outdoors kitchen, of course, which is perfect for the summer months to entertain your family and friends. So there's a large pool here. And the orientation is good as well. It has sun all day long, all year long. And here we of course have the casita, and the casita right now is being used as an office space, but it could be transformed into a separate guest accommodation or anything you want. So I don't think there's a better place to wrap this home tour up as here in this outdoor dining area underneath this canopy with these beautiful flowers. So I hope you enjoyed this home tour. If you have any more questions about this property or would like to arrange a viewing, I will put our contact details down below in the description. And if you would like your own property to be toured this way, also don't hesitate to just get in touch with us.